In the vast reaches of our solar system, beyond the rocky worlds and the asteroid belt, lies a giant, a planet so massive it could fit all the other planets inside it. This is Jupiter, the king of the planets, a gas giant that has fascinated and puzzled scientists for centuries. Today, we'll explore its dynamic atmosphere, powerful storms, and captivating moons. Jupiter's atmosphere is a mesmerizing tapestry of colors and movement. Unlike Earth, which has a single atmosphere, Jupiter is a world of swirling clouds, divided into bands that wrap around the planet. These bands, known as belts and zones, move at different speeds and in opposite directions, creating powerful jet streams and turbulent storms. The light-colored zones are regions of rising gas, while the darker belts are where the gas sinks. This constant churning creates a dynamic atmosphere that is in perpetual motion, with storms that can last for centuries. And then there's the Great Red Spot, a colossal storm that has raged for at least 400 years. This giant anticyclone is so large that 3 Earths could fit within its boundaries, and yet it's just one of many storms that dot Jupiter's surface. The Great Red Spot is the most famous of Jupiter's storms, but it's far from the only one. New storms frequently appear on Jupiter's surface, some lasting only a few hours, while others persist for years. These storms are fueled by Jupiter's immense energy, heat trapped from its formation and radiating outward into space. What makes these storms even more fascinating is their scale and speed. On Earth, hurricanes might span hundreds of miles. On Jupiter, storms can stretch thousands of miles across and whip through the atmosphere at over 300 miles per hour. But Jupiter is not alone in its celestial dance. It is orbited by a family of over 80 moons, each with its own unique characteristics. The four largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are known as the Galilean moons, named after Galileo, who first observed them in 1610. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of volcanoes that constantly reshape its surface. These eruptions are so powerful, they can be seen from space, spewing plumes of sulfur hundreds of miles into the sky. Next is Europa, an ice-covered world that hides a global ocean beneath its frozen crust. Scientists believe this ocean might harbor conditions suitable for life, making Europa one of the most intriguing places in the search for extraterrestrial life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than the planet Mercury and has its own magnetic field. Callisto, on the other hand, is a heavily cratered world with a surface that has remained largely unchanged for billions of years. Jupiter's influence extends far beyond its massive size and moons. The planet has the strongest magnetic field of any planet in the solar system, 20,000 times more powerful than Earth's. This immense magnetic field creates radiation belts that encircle the planet, trapping charged particles and producing intense radiation. These particles also generate spectacular auroras at Jupiter's poles, brilliant light displays that are hundreds of times more powerful than Earth's northern and southern lights. These auroras are so intense, they could be seen even during the day on Earth if we were close enough. Humanity's journey to understand Jupiter is far from over. The Juno spacecraft, currently orbiting the planet, is providing us with unprecedented insights into its atmosphere, magnetic field, and interior structure. But future missions are already being planned to explore Jupiter and its moons in even greater detail. One of the most anticipated missions is the Europa Clipper, set to launch in the coming years. This mission will focus on exploring Europa's icy surface and subsurface ocean, searching for signs of life in one of the most promising environments beyond Earth. Jupiter is more than just a planet. It's a giant laboratory, a cosmic mystery, and a source of endless wonder. As we continue to study this majestic world, we are reminded of the vastness and beauty of our solar system and the infinite possibilities that await us in the exploration of the cosmos. The king of the solar system will continue to reign, its secrets slowly unveiled as we push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology. And who knows what discoveries lie ahead, waiting to be revealed by the next generation of explorers.